Welcome to HMIS training video. In this video, we will guide you through the process of setting your password for referral portal access. This portal has been exclusively developed for railway-empanelled private hospitals. Empanelled private hospitals have been provided credentials to access this portal, allowing them to accept patients referred by railway hospitals. In case of emergencies, patients can also directly validated and admitted through this portal. Let's see the process of logging into the referral portal. Open the browser. For best experience, we recommend use Mozilla Firefox. Type eReferral.rcl.gov.in in address bar and press enter. Once the portal loads, you will see two login options. One is user login, another admin login. Click on the user login. For first time logging in, you need to set your password using the user ID provided by railway administrators. Click on the reset password button. You will see two options for resetting your password. Change password by mobile, change password by email. Select your preferred option, enter your username and click on validate and generate OTP. A one-time OTP has been sent to your registered mobile or email as per your details provided. Your mobile number or email, partially masked for security, will be displayed for your information. Enter the OTP received in the provided field and click on validate OTP. A pop-up will display. Click on the OK button. Now enter your new password and confirm password by re-entering and click on update button. Update password. Now your password has been updated successfully. You can log in using your user ID and the newly set password. For further assistance, feel free to contact the HMIS support team. Thank you for watching this training video.